tips to help you pass the driving test. The colour of motorway cat's eyes, something that confuses a lot of people. Hard shoulder on the left hand side, the most dangerous place, so is marked by red cat's eyes on the left hand side. In this example we see a 3-lane motorway. The white dashed lines that separate lane 1, 2 and 3 are white and are marked with white cat's eyes. The solid white line that marks the right hand side of the carriageway between lane 3 and the central reservation is marked by amber cat's eyes. As we come to entry or exit slip roads, then the cat's eyes become green in colour. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down.